Like, y'all, get into this look. Get into this look. Get into her. Get into her. She's the one. She's that girl. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. Yes, yes, yes. And it is BH Cosmetics BFF palette. We are going to get all into this goodie. I have a lot to say about it. So before I jump all the way into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there. So let's get into this palette. So guys, this palette is by BH Cosmetics, of course. This is the BFF palette. They collab with 2 influencers, and this retails for $24. I got this at Ulta, and I did use my little coupon and whatnot and got it off a little extra dollars. But this was still around the $20, a little bit under $20 mark. This is a 20 color eyeshadow palette. This is a very pretty rose gold packaging. It is bigger than I thought. I don't know why I thought this would be, I don't know, it's a little heavier, a little more weight to it. I thought it was gonna be maybe a little bit more smaller, but I did want to show you the inside of this palette because it is gorgeous. So this palette has a beautiful, beautiful big mirror, guys. I was like, woo, that is a mirror. And then we have all the 20 beautiful shades right down here. Look at that. So this palette, it is bigger, heavier, has a little more weight to it, and is nothing but rose gold and champagne color. So this is a very simple packaging, but very pretty. And nonetheless, rose gold always hits, you know what I mean? You guys want to get this look, because this look is fire, okay? I love this look. If you guys want to get this look, just stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I enjoyed it a lot. I love this look that it gave me. So let's dig right on into her. This 20 pan palette, they give you, let me see how many mattes. So 12 mattes you get in this palette, and you get 8 shimmers. So they do give you a good range of shimmer and mattes in there. There are no glitters in this palette, or pressed glitters, thank God. I'm so tired of pressed glitters. But they have nothing but shimmers and mattes in this, and I love it. But let me just tell you my favorite colors real quick, because breaking down this palette is gonna be a little mess. So my favorite colors out of the palette are going to be 24 and Malibu, Salvadoriana, I believe. and bougie. Of course, I love me some bougie. 24 and the Malibu one, supreme. I got that on. And then bougie, she's cute. She's on my bottom waterline and she is popping. Very, very cute. Malibu, that pastel baby powder blue is fantastic. So with this palette, what I realized, because at first I was thinking, okay, it's gonna be cute, probably okay, but you know, I've seen some of the colors. This palette's really good. The layout is really, really good. The top gives you all the nice reds, pinky, peachy reds. So the second row gives you all this nice, rich, dark brownish red, that duochrome, that light peachy nude up there. These four right here give you such a pretty good look in the second row. I can see a beautiful halo eye with that. The pink is kind of random, but then I realized down this way is a light shimmer row. These rows are very constructed very well, in my opinion, because I said that's really convenient. You can just do a light look, you can do a dark rich look, you can do a nice warm reddish pinky look. And then down here, this row is my favorite. As you can see, I used a lot of colors from that. I am getting into blue because of this palette. I finally say, you know what, blue? I like blue because this is so freaking pretty, y'all. This row, and I use my skin tone base. I did not use a Morphe base at all. As you guys can see, these colors are popping on my eyes. Last row, this is a neutral with a pop of blue down there. Y'all, each row is designed very, very well. I wanted to do 4 whole looks for y'all. I was like, I want to do a look each row because I feel like each row can give you a structured look. So the last 2 rows are a little bit more, the pop of color is blue and this neutral. The top is a little more deeper, very deeper colors with a little pop of light neutral. So I believe the top 2 rows is one of the girls and then the 2 bottom is one of the other girls. So it's really interesting. I think the way they set up each row is very, very good. I really, really like how they set it up because you can create a look just right there. I was like, this is a good layout. I like this palette a lot. I think they did very, very well with that. Very smart. You don't have to look too much to let me create a look. It's kind of already set right there, and then you can mix up different ones with this. Layout is so convenient, very good. It was structured well, very, very well. So y'all, overall, this palette to me is very, very good. But again, you know, their last palette, I did the LA palette. To me, that layout was insane. I did not care for that layout. Too many shimmers, not enough mattes. I was like, I don't really care if there's too much, even though I love the pastels in it. But that palette was just all over the place. But this palette, they came back and said, you want structure, you want layouts, you want looks set up? I got you. This layout was the best layout in a while. Really convenient, especially when people that have to put on a look and go. Really, really good. I would get it if I was you. It's in Ulta and they have it on BH Cosmetics website. They say this is limited edition. I don't know if it still is, but I remember hearing it was limited edition. I will get it before it goes. This palette is very, very good, y'all. I did not have to use no white base. Didn't feel like I needed to, and it stays put. Like this blue, that Malibu in there, that's matte. It looks like a shimmer on camera, but it's not. It's a matte. I have shimmer on my waterline, not on the top. This is, and I was like, I'm mixing that orange with blue. I don't do that too much. I need that orange. Y'all, this palette, she's cute. She's really cute. So I can kind of see why they made it limited edition. It is very, very good. And they built it and structured it. The rows of how they set up the colors is very good. I was nicely shocked by that. And then when I swatched some of the colors, I said, oh, this is a good palette. Overall, guys, pick up this palette if you can before it runs away and never to be seen again. Pick it up in your Ulta or on the BH Cosmetics website. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me, did you like this BH Cosmetics collab they have? Did you like her, the BFF? Do you think this is really cute? Would you grab it or would you let it go? And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.